Hello guys, good morning. We had a lot of food given by SPCA and look at my stray cats. They were very happy. You see? This is what is Migmig there. Ayan, this is Weng Weng, yung may ano. And the other one is Buzzer. The third one is Migmig. And the other one is Buzzer. And Mika, where's the other one? The other one's not coming yet. So these are the food guys given by SPCA. Ayan, humingi tayo ng food para sa kanila. Ayan, so they're very happy. Ayan. If you want to adopt them guys, don't hesitate to text me and to call, to leave a message on my comment section. Okay? These are nice cat. Look at this one. This is Buzzer, this is Weng Weng, and that is Migmig. Migmig were already sterilized. Yan, where's the other one? Yan, tingnan mo. Look at them guys. They know their food. Yan. Look. Okay, take a picture. I think these are one family. Take a picture. Look, come, show your face. Hello. Ayan sila guys. Ayan, kawawa naman sila, malamig na. Ayan, naghanap ako ng poster poor parents nila. Ayan, mababait nila guys ha. Look, ito, tingin sa camera. Ito. Tingin mo sa camera. Ayan, ito pa. Okay, thanks for watching.